In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your VPN protocol in NordVPN. Before we get started, a quick note on what we're doing and why it matters. A VPN protocol is the set of rules that determines how your data travels through the VPN tunnel. Choosing the right one can improve speed, stability, and compatibility. NordVPN gives you two main options: NordLynx and OpenVPN. NordLynx is built on WireGuard technology and is generally the fastest and most efficient choice for everyday use. OpenVPN is a widely trusted standard that can be useful if you're on a network that's picky or if a specific app works better with it. Let's walk through the change, step by step, in a way that works on most devices. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your device. Give it a moment to load your account and server list. If you're not on the latest version, the screens may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Next, look for the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. On desktop, it's usually in the top or side of the app. On mobile, it might be in the bottom menu or a small cog in the corner. Tap or click that gear to open the settings. Inside Settings, go to the Connection tab. This is where NordVPN groups options related to how your app connects to the network. In this area, you'll see items like Auto Connect and other preferences, but the one we're after is labeled VPN Protocol. Find VPN Protocol and open the drop-down menu. Here you'll see the available choices for your device. Select NordLynx if you want the best overall speed and quick connections. It's optimized for performance and efficiency. Choose OpenVPN if you need broader compatibility, or if you're on a restrictive network and NordLynx has trouble connecting. If you're familiar with OpenVPN's UDP and TCP modes, the app may let you pick between them, with UDP generally being faster and TCP being more reliable on strict networks. Once you've made your selection, close the Settings menu. Changes take effect the next time you connect. To apply the new protocol, connect to any server from the main screen. Pick a nearby location for the best performance, or let the app choose the optimal server for you. After you connect, the VPN session will use the protocol you just selected. That's it. You've successfully changed your VPN protocol in NordVPN. If you ever want to switch back, repeat these steps and choose the other option. Enjoy smoother connections and choose the protocol that best fits your speed and reliability needs.